How to use Reddit image post hidden feature. Now, if you are on mobile device just like me, you can use the hybrid post method, which you cannot replicate on your desktop. So to use this feature, first of all, go ahead and open the Reddit application itself. Then simply tap on this create option. From here, you will be shown to give your title to your post. Go ahead and type in. Once you do so, all you have to do is select image or videos from this bottom navigation bar. You can find this gallery like icon or picture icon. Go ahead and tap on it. Then you can choose between the options to take a photo or simply choose from the library. Now, once you select it, go ahead and tap done. Once the photo is uploaded to your post, you will find this body text. Now you simply have to tap on it, and from here you can write any descriptions, any stories, or anything that you like in this text option. And this won't reduce any image quality even after you post it, which is much more harder to replicate in PC or desktop. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.